This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by focusing on the surface. Clean paint protects the film. Wash with pH-neutral soap, rinse, and dry with a microfiber to avoid marring. Once done, use a clay bar or clay mitt with lubricant to remove bonded particles so the coating bonds to true paint, not grime. Make sure to inspect the panel under direct light and mark any chips or deep scratches you'll need to address before protection. Addressing these now prevents trapping contaminants under the sealant or film. You correct defects selectively. Spot polish swirl marks or oxidation using a dual-action polisher and the right pad/polish combination. Less aggressive first, then step up if necessary. After correction, wipe each panel with 70% IPA or dedicated panel prep to remove oils and polish residue so the protection can bond chemically. Make sure to mask trim, seals, and glass edges. Work in the shade, dust-free, and around 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit to control, cure, and minimize contamination while you move from panel to panel. You apply the chosen protection, liquid ceramic or paint protection film, following the product's specific pattern, pressure, and dwell times. Consistent passes ensure even coverage and bonding. Once applied, squeegee film edges and push out any trapped air. For liquid coatings, buff off residue per instruction and avoid water for the recommended cure period. If a small bubble appears during the cure window, you can lift and reseat or resqueegee. For large failures or edge lifting, remove and reapply that panel to prevent long-term issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.